This is a morning in Battambang province. We got up earlier and we will travel to see the waterfall in Samlot. We will travel around 85 kilometers from Battambang town to the Samlot, where we can visit the waterfall there. We look forward to see it. We love to see the natures. And you see, this is the hotel where we were staying last night. It is a big hotel near the Sangkai stream, which is very beautiful in the morning and at night time. It is very safe in Battambang province. And now heading out of town. As you see, there are many big trees and beautiful morning. And on my right hand side, it is the government hall. It's the governor's office of Battambang that they work there, and it is very old and very ancient house styles that really attractive, as it has been built over 60 years ago in Battambang. So it is a very beautiful morning. Please see on the way that we are having a lot of good, beautiful mountains and the natures that we can share with you until we reach to the waterfalls. Thank you. nón khoác ấy lấy nữa bà chiên sầm nón khoác ấy lấy đi tơ tẹt cái ấy nữa mà gần nó đó mà dương nên một bò chiên sầm nón nó chờ nữa bong bò nhóm con bò đó là sọc không có làm chơi thử ấy lấy chơi thử ở đây. As you see, the mountain in front of us is we call Phnom Sampouv mountain. There is a story about this mountain. Sampouv, it means the big boat that carry people from place to place over the water, and that have been sunk and stuck there in the past. So the mountain is very attractive for tourists. They come to visit and see and learn about the history of this mountain. Visitors can climb up to the top of the mountains. As you see, the mountain has the Buddha statue and the Buddhist temple there on top of the mountain. There are many visitors come to visit every day, but many come during the weekends or any public holidays. There are also foreign visitors come from Siem Reap or other places like Phnom Penh. They travel directly to Battambang and visit this place. It is a tourist spot that many people want to learn the history of this mountain. They want to see the natures and the bat. That there are a lot of bats there that they live in the cave of the mountains. So that's beautiful, and there are foods, plenties of food selling on the bottom of the mountains or nearby the mountain that you can pack. You can eat like chicken, fish, or beef or pork, whatever you like. You can buy from the sellers and pack for your lunch or for your meal if you like, based on the preference and choices you like. So we pass that mountain and we continue further to Samlot district, and we are looking forward to see the waterfall there. Please join us and continue the journey with us. You see this mountain on the right hand side of us. We call it the Phnom Sampouv, or the Crocodile Mountains. It is also related to the story of the Phnom Sampouv, the big boat mountain, because the crocodile follow the boat. If any people falling down from the boat into the water, then the crocodile will eat them. So that's the story related to these two mountains, we have been told. So on the right hand side you see there's golden color is the rice fields. Battambang province considered as a biggest rice producer province. So the huge land and the rice fields, they produce a lot of rice that cover the consumptions the whole country and also for export to other country, especially the malice, the jasmine of rice that very famous over the world. We have now traveled almost the halfway from Battambang to Samlot, where we can visit the waterfall. As we traveling, the rain coming and it is wet on the road, but it could not stop us from our plan to see the waterfalls. So we keep continue our journey, and as we want to go and arrive as soon as possible. despite the distance, we keep going. We continue our journey. We want to see the natures. We want to experience and learn about the natures. There we will see the good waterfall, the beautiful places along the way. Please join us. As we have passed the Ratana Mondoul district, we are now pursuing our journey to reach to Samlot district. So we will continue our journey and with excitement in our team. We turn left to the direction that lead us to Samlot. Now we arrive to Samlot, the very good place also for visitors to come and visit, especially local visitors who want to come and swim and see the view of the Samlot resorts there. As we off the smooth road, then we have to go through the small and dusty roads. But luckily, because of the raining, we did not see the dust blow. Actually, if it is dry, there are a lot of dust blow during the driving when we drive over it. So it is a very good day for us, as the rain has come before us arrive. We have now come nearer and nearer to the waterfall, so we are so exciting. Please continue seeing with us. We are expecting to see it soon. Here we are. It is very beautiful. It is my first time to come and see the place like this. It's like a heaven on earth. You see the water come, it's so white as it hit the rock. It sounds very, very nice, very, very exciting to see. And this is the downstream that we come down. There's another layer of the waterfall. Greetings. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy seeing the views, the very beautiful natures, and seeing the way that we travel and the surrounded nature that you have seen, like the rice fields, the mountain, and the places that along the way we have come pass by. So please continue seeing my video and hope you enjoy seeing the waterfall. It is a very good place to visit, and if you have time, please come to visit Cambodia. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.